Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. Today I am going to share with you how to make simple and quick non-sticky soft sabudana recipe. Sabudana is made from cassava root. In English it is called tapioca pulse. For making this recipe I have rinsed 1 cup sabudana and soaked into water for 4 hours. For 1 cup sabudana, add 3/4 cup of water. See, there is no excess moisture. Next, take a small bowl dry roasted peanut. If you like, you can remove the skin of peanut. Roasted peanut should be crunchy. You can crush them by using mortar and pestle. Otherwise, transfer them in a grinder jar. Add a teaspoon salt along with half teaspoon red chili powder and grind peanut coarsely. It should not be fine powder. Ground peanut powder should be like this. Next, we need some fresh coriander leaves. For making this recipe, in a pan add a tablespoon cooking oil. After oil is hot, add half teaspoon cumin seed along with some sliced green chili. If you like, you can add some curry leaves. Saute for few seconds, then add tapioca pulse. Before adding tapioca pulse, if there is excess moisture, you can drain out the water. There should not be excess water. Continuously stir for 2 to 3 minutes over medium to high flame. Then add dry roasted ground peanut. If you like, here you can add some grated coconut. Next I am going to add chopped coriander leaves. The flavor of coriander leaves goes well with Sabudana Khichdi. Don't stir, just cover with a lid for a minute over medium flame. Then take out the lid and stir continuously for 30 seconds. See, our sabudana is transparent and it is well cooked. Mix well with ground peanut and coriander leaves. Turn off the flame. See, our yummy sabudana khichdi is done. Transfer immediately into a serving bowl, otherwise it will be sticky and gluey. It's very simple and healthy and tasty breakfast recipe. If you think this video is helpful to you,